Good morning, dears. Today we are going to discuss about cancer. As the word suggests, cancer is derived from a Greek word meaning karkinos, that means crab. And medically, the cancer is nothing but carcinoma. And at the same time, another word that is neoplasm. The word neo means new and plasia or plasm means the growth. That means new growth. A new growth can be basically divided into two as benign and malignant. Usually benign will not cause much more damage to our body, and usually it will locate here and there, that's all. But regarding the cancer or the carcinoma, there are near about 250 varieties of, or the expression of cancer may be more than 200 types of disorders. And the cancer, it can affect any cell, any system, any organ in our body, or even as a whole. So, on going through the details of cancer, you can see even though there may be cancer, some of them may be very soft or very slow growing cancer, and at the same time some of them are very aggressive one also. And let us see regarding the causes of cancer or the mechanism of cancer. In normal healthy living, the normal cellular life or cellular growth were managed by or modified by various factors, particularly by various set of genes. Among them, the main gene belongs to maintain a normal cellular life is by P53 genes. P53 genes, or it is otherwise known as tumor suppressor gene. Tumor suppressor gene. On the other hand, you can see the death gene or oncogenes. So, a balance between the expression of oncogenes and P53 genes plays great important role in our life. Either by genetic or by some endogenous factors or by some exogenous factors, it can modify the expression of, or it can balance the expression of P53 genes and oncogenes, then that will cause some alterations. Here we can just some of the effect of P53 genes. The P53 genes can be assumed as our brake of our vehicle, and at the same time the oncogenes or death genes can be considered as the accelerator of our vehicle. So a synchronized balance between the brake and an accelerator will drive our vehicle in a very gentle manner. So whenever there are any damage that affects either the brake or the accelerator, surely that will end in a grave accident. It is something like that what happened in our body when the oncogenes are not doing their duty, or when the P53 genes are not doing their duty in a well balanced manner, automatically, like that of our vehicle, totally damage, or that will totally damage our body, and thereby multiplication of or the proliferation of cells. So the definition of cancer can be summarized as it is very irreversible, abnormal, immature, or uncoordinated growth of cells. So, in any area of our body, or any organ in our body, or any part in our body were affected by the imbalance, or the primary source of, or primary site of, that is what you call the carcinoma in situ. On examination of the cells, you can see the cells are very immature, the cells are very abnormal, and the rate of growth cannot be controlled, so it is very irreversible or persistent one, and the growth can be seen as very uncoordinated growth. Even though the exciting or the maintaining factors withdrawn from that area, we cannot control the growth of the tissue, and finally that becomes usually a tumor. That is the mechanism behind the cancer, and we can study the real cause or the risk factors or the symptoms and classifications or the spread etc. can be studied in next class. Thank you for watching. Thank you.